any obstacle in the process, like if you feel the things are not moving, like you were saying, the only reason why we don't understand is
so this is the health center, like Mr. Ali is saying, the 4 lanes coming over here. This is the parking area and this is the playground. Forms a part of one wall. Because the back we have to, like you said, really want to get space here.
it's a beautiful space.
Look at that.
The purpose of this trip is to look at the various satellite towns that the government is planning to develop. As you know, the intention of the government is to plan and develop 4 satellite towns, and these are this would be done in Kayasi, Korovo, Seaqaqa and Nambowalu. So Nambowalu and Seaqaqa is definitely on Vanuatu, and the reason why I'm here is to look at how it is been planned. So the first stop was at Seaqaqa, and we have seen the site, and we know exactly where the market, the bus stand and other commercial activities will be put up. And it's a good opportunity to see the place, to talk to the people, understand the expectation, and then at the same time factor that in during the planning phase. Because it is at the planning phase, we've just got the ERA terms of reference. So the next step is for the Ministry of Local Government to call for a tender and get a consultant on board. And then the consultant will do the scheme plan, and then the designs, etc. will take place. Yeah, nice. Nice. Yeah. I think we should leave it as a playground in case for future. If we have to extend the health center, then we can use up the open space.
This town is going to, multiply that way. So you just come here and catch the carrier.
Yet I think they should be off the road. All this activity should be off the main road, which is feeding another important entity of yours.
Okay. So we desperately need to house. All right, I'll be guided by this. Normally, when it comes to scheme plan, the scheme plan, if it's a TLTB land, it also goes back to TLTB for their approval, and then it goes to town and country planning. So if you look at the whole process, it can take up to 6 months, because it also involves environment management plan and the design, etc. So it can take up to 6 months. Yeah.
So that will be all coming up. At the moment, that guy is giving a service to the council to this area by providing a market space for them. So once this comes up, they will all come in over here. Then we will have also the parcel sellers coming here.
It's okay. Can you just show me again what land we've got? I'm just a bit worried. I'm assuming there's a big space here.
The information from Vanuatu is based on the
So we're standing just in front there.